There's a berry growing in the harshest environments on Earth where almost nothing else survives. From mountain slopes above 12,000 feet to coastal shores battered by salt spray. From freezing climates at -40 degrees to radiation-soaked soil where other plants wither and die. This small orange berry, no bigger than your thumbnail, contains something that makes it completely unique in the plant kingdom. And if you're over 60, if your skin feels dry no matter what you try, if your eyes burn and itch throughout the day, if your joints ache when you wake up, if your digestion isn't what it used to be, this could change everything. Because your body needs 4 specific omega fatty acids to function properly. 4, not 2, not 3, all 4 working together. And there's only one plant on Earth that contains all 4 at the same time, naturally packaged in a single source. Not salmon, not walnuts, not flaxseed, not any other superfood they've been selling you. One single plant, and despite its remarkable properties, you've probably never heard of it. That's not an accident, that's by design. If you're just finding this channel, I uncover health truths that have been buried or ignored by mainstream medicine. Hit subscribe and share this with someone who needs it, because what you're about to learn could improve your health in ways you never imagined. The plant is called sea buckthorn, scientific name Hippophae rhamnoides, and here's what makes it impossible to ignore. In the 1940s, Soviet scientists began serious research into this berry. They weren't looking for a trendy superfood. They were looking for something that could protect their cosmonauts from cosmic radiation. Since the start of the Russian space program, cosmonauts have used sea buckthorn oil as protection against solar radiation damage. They applied it as a cream before missions. They took it internally to support their bodies against the harsh environment of space. When nothing else worked, this did. Think about that for a moment. If this plant can help protect human cells from cosmic radiation traveling at the speed of light, what could it do for the daily wear and tear your body experiences right here on Earth? After the 1986 Chernobyl nuclear disaster, many burn victims were treated with sea buckthorn oil. When conventional treatments struggled, physicians turned to this ancient remedy. The berry that had been used in traditional medicine for centuries became part of modern medical treatment. Sea buckthorn is the only known plant source that provides all 4 omega fatty acids naturally in bioavailable form: omega-3, omega-6, omega-9, and the rare omega-7. You've heard about omega-3 from fish oil supplements. You know omega-6 and omega-9 from nuts and seeds. But omega-7? They rarely mention that one in health magazines or doctors' offices. Because omega-7, also called palmitoleic acid, is incredibly rare in plants. Macadamia nuts contain about 20%. Jojoba oil has about 2%. Sea buckthorn pulp oil up to 40% pure omega-7. And the supplement industry doesn't want you to know you can get this rare fatty acid from a plant instead of buying their expensive synthetic versions. Think of your body like a house that needs constant maintenance. Omega-3 keeps your heart pumping and your brain functioning. That's your foundation and electrical system. Omega-6 supports your immune response to threats. That's your security system detecting problems. Omega-9 helps manage inflammatory responses. That's your fire protection keeping damage under control. But omega-7, that's the specialized construction crew that repairs the interior walls of your house, the walls you can't see, but that keep everything running smoothly. Omega-7 specifically targets your mucous membranes. These are the moist, protective internal surfaces of your body that most people never think about until something goes wrong. the lining of your digestive tract from mouth to intestines, your eyes that produce tears to stay lubricated, your nasal passages, your urinary tract, the delicate tissues of your reproductive system. These tissues face constant attack every single day from dryness, environmental irritants, aging, and inflammation. Most people treat these as separate problems. Dry eyes? That's one doctor. Digestive issues? Different doctor. Skin problems? Another specialist. But they're all connected. They're all mucous membrane issues. And omega-7 repairs them naturally, systematically, from the inside out. Sea buckthorn pulp oil contains up to 40% pure omega-7, making it the richest plant source on Earth, richer than anything else in nature. Now let's talk about vitamin C content, because this is where sea buckthorn really shows what nature can do. You've been told oranges are the gold standard for vitamin C. That's what every health magazine says. That's what nutritionists recommend. But sea buckthorn berries contain 8 to 15 times more vitamin C than oranges. Yes, you heard that correctly. 8 to 15 times more. A 100-gram serving of sea buckthorn can provide 400 to 800 milligrams of vitamin C, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Compare that to an orange at just 53 milligrams per 100 grams. That means eating just a handful of sea buckthorn berries gives you more vitamin C than eating multiple oranges. But here's what separates sea buckthorn from every other plant you've ever eaten, and this is the part that makes it truly remarkable. Most plants give you vitamins in isolation. You take vitamin E, you take vitamin A. Your body tries to use them, but often it can't. Sea buckthorn gives you the complete delivery system nature designed. It contains the natural oils, those omega fatty acids we talked about, that allow your body to actually absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin K. These vitamins are called fat-soluble for a reason. Without fat present, your liver just flushes them through your system. You waste them. Your money goes down the drain along with those vitamins. Sea buckthorn solved that problem millions of years ago through natural evolution. It packages the vitamins with the oils in the same berry. The fat you need to absorb the vitamins comes built in with the vitamins themselves. That's nutritional engineering beyond anything modern agriculture or supplement science has achieved. Nature figured it out long before we did. If you're getting value from this information, do me a favor right now. Pause the video and hit that subscribe button. Share this with someone who struggles with dry skin, dry eyes, or inflammation, because mainstream medicine won't tell them this, but you can. Now let's look at the research that proves this actually works. Let me show you what clinical studies actually say about sea buckthorn. Real research, published in real peer-reviewed medical journals. Not marketing claims, not testimonials, actual science. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Maturitas in 2014 examined 116 postmenopausal women experiencing vaginal dryness, itching, and burning, symptoms that affect up to 40% of postmenopausal women. These women took 3 grams of sea buckthorn oil daily for 3 months. No hormones, no estrogen, no pharmaceutical intervention, just the oil. The results showed significant improvement in the integrity of the vaginal epithelium, the delicate protective tissue lining. The improvement happened without any change in circulating estrogen levels. This is remarkable because it means the mechanism works differently than hormone replacement therapy. The omega-7 and other bioactive compounds in sea buckthorn oil support tissue health through cellular nourishment, not hormone manipulation. This matters deeply because conventional treatment requires estrogen replacement therapy, which carries risks many women cannot or will not take, especially breast cancer survivors or women with increased cancer risk. Sea buckthorn oil offers a non-hormonal alternative that actually works at the cellular level. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial published in the Journal of Nutrition studied 100 people aged 20 to 75 experiencing dry eye symptoms. Participants consumed 2 grams of sea buckthorn oil daily for 3 months during fall and winter, the seasons when dry eye symptoms typically worsen due to indoor heating and cold air. Here's what happened. Tear film osmolarity, one of the most important markers of dry eye disease, increased in both groups as expected during the cold season, but the increase was significantly smaller in the sea buckthorn group compared to placebo. The group taking sea buckthorn also reported less burning sensation and reduced redness. Many participants noticed improved comfort even on days they spent hours looking at computer screens. Remember, this wasn't eye drops providing temporary relief. This was internal supplementation changing the composition and quality of tears from within. Another clinical study involving 233 healthy adults examined sea buckthorn's effect on systemic inflammation. Participants consumed 28 grams of sea buckthorn berry puree daily for 90 days. The results showed a statistically significant decrease in C-reactive protein levels, one of the most reliable biomarkers for systemic inflammation in the body. Why does this matter? Because elevated C-reactive protein is not just a number on a blood test. It's a key risk factor for cardiovascular disease, for arthritis, for autoimmune disorders, for accelerated aging. When your C-reactive protein goes down, your risk for these conditions decreases. Think about what your body is telling you through these symptoms. Dry eyes that burn after an hour of reading, dry skin that cracks no matter how much lotion you use, irritated tissues that never quite feel comfortable, joints that ache when you wake up. These aren't separate, unrelated problems. They're all signals that your cells need support, that inflammation is damaging your tissues faster than your body can repair them. And omega-7, combined with the other bioactive compounds in sea buckthorn, addresses the root cause, not just the symptoms. One plant, multiple chronic health concerns addressed at the biochemical and cellular level. So if sea buckthorn is this powerful, why isn't it on every shelf at every store? The answer comes down to one simple fact. Industrial agriculture cannot make money from it. Sea buckthorn is protected by razor-sharp thorns up to 6 inches long. These thorns will puncture through leather gloves. Mechanical harvesting? Nearly impossible. But that's not even the real problem. The berries don't have stems. Most fruits have a natural breaking point where the fruit separates from the branch. Sea buckthorn berries attach directly to the wood. The skin is incredibly thin. If you try to pick them by hand, they burst. Juice everywhere. No harvest. The only commercial method that works is to cut entire branches, flash freeze them, then shake the berries off while frozen solid. That process is expensive, labor-intensive, completely incompatible with the fast commodity model of industrial agriculture. They grow what makes money, not what makes you healthy. But here's the part that reveals how remarkable this plant truly is. Sea buckthorn doesn't just heal humans, it heals ecosystems. The roots form a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that pull nitrogen directly from the air and fix it into the soil. Sea buckthorn requires 0 fertilizers. It feeds itself. The root system prevents soil erosion, it stabilizes hillsides, it grows in soil so poor that nothing else survives. Since the 1990s, China has planted over 2.5 million acres of sea buckthorn specifically to stop desertification, not as a food crop, as ecological restoration. The plant that heals human tissue from the inside is also healing the topsoil of the earth. While industrial agriculture depletes soil and requires constant chemical inputs, sea buckthorn regenerates soil naturally. So how do you support your body with this plant? Sea buckthorn is available as oil, juice, and powder. The oil provides the most concentrated source of omega-7. The juice delivers vitamin C and antioxidants. Look for cold-pressed organic sea buckthorn oil. Take 1 teaspoon daily to support skin health, mucous membranes, and metabolic function from the inside. This isn't about curing disease, this is about giving your body what it's been asking for, the omegas it needs, the antioxidants it's missing, the cellular support that modern food no longer provides. The fruit and oil are safe, they've been consumed for centuries across Europe and Asia. Just avoid eating large quantities of raw seeds in some varieties due to mild natural compounds. The flesh and oil are completely safe. Here's what they don't want you to understand. You don't need new synthetic drugs for every health concern. You don't need laboratory supplements with ingredients you can't pronounce. You don't need pharmaceutical interventions for normal aging. You need to look at what nature has already provided. For centuries, traditional medicine systems used sea buckthorn for heart health, digestive health, skin conditions, and reproductive health. Soviet cosmonauts trusted it with their lives in space. Physicians used it to treat burn victims when nothing else worked. And modern research confirms what ancient healers already knew. Sea buckthorn contains all 4 omega fatty acids in one package. Better than salmon, better than avocado, better than any supplement they're selling you. The only plant on Earth that does this. So why have you never heard of it? Because you can't patent centuries of traditional knowledge, because it doesn't fit the industrial agriculture model, because one plant that addresses skin health, eye health, digestive health, heart health, and hormonal support is terrible for the supplement business. But the plant doesn't care about their business model. It keeps growing, it keeps producing, it keeps offering the same nutrition that has supported human health for generations. And now you know. If this information opened your eyes to something buried from mainstream attention, I need you to do 2 things. First, subscribe to this channel. Every video uncovers health truths that have been ignored or hidden from you. Second, share this with someone you care about, your parents, your spouse, your friends, because this could change their health in ways they never imagined. Type yes in the comments if this resonates with you. Let me know you're paying attention. Let me know you're taking control of your health. Because the next truth I uncover might be even more powerful than this one. Thank you for watching.